When I first came up with this idea, it was to make a video that depicted my struggle of being torn between three places in the world that are very special to me. I felt as though I could never truly be happy because my heart was split between the place where I feel I live the most, the place I call my home, and the place where I feel I most belong. Now, years later, I return to this video with a new perspective. The video is meant to try and show why each place holds the place they do in my heart. Telluride, Miami, and Llastres. Although I cannot be in all three at once, I live in the moment knowing that they are never forgotten. I am not split, because even apart, they are always with me.
Swinging high on the playground, side by side on the slide, only way down. And I could see us running around the house. You'd be like chasing me until our breath run out of my mind. Now I'm hearing deadbeat lies, like how everything I dream about will never be mine, and how everything I'm reaching for, I don't pay a dime. It don't matter what you say to me, you know I'ma try and say, hey, I'm just a kid, I don't need money. Little lost, but one day they'll talk on me. I'll have the world, hope you're waiting when I'm through with it. Oh, coming home to ya. Hey, we're just kids, don't it feel lovely? We sip rum and write songs till we feel funny. Outside till sunrise, we ain't finished. Hey ma, give me 5 more minutes left. I don't need money, a little lost, but one day they'll talk of me. I'll have the world, hope you're waiting when I'm through with it. Oh, I'm coming home to ya.